Now, Chief Meteorologist Scott Dorval with the On Your Side forecast.
Look at this. The snow is flying in the mountains. As I mentioned, at Tamarack, the drone was out because it was a bluebird day after 7 inches of powder. Just when you thought spring skiing was here, no. Midwinter conditions coming back to the skiers. My complete ski report is coming up in just a couple of minutes. In the meantime, I want to show you the outlook just out today from the Weather Service here. The March temperature outlook. Best chances for below normal temperatures in the same places up north in Washington. Now remember, we were warm for a while, but no, the northern tier, Montana has been cold, and these places here in the upper Midwest continue to stay cold. For southern Idaho, well, we're still looking at the best chances of being cooler than average for March. And look at this, wetter than average for March. So the trend we're having through February could go right into March as well. That could mean some late season snows, just when we thought spring was going to come early. This is the March, April, May 90-day outlook. It still shows below average, although that's kind of creeping up to northern and central Idaho. Southwest Idaho is kind of between the better chances below average and above average temperatures. And precipitation wise, similar story. Montana having great snowpack numbers this year. We have equal chances of having above or below average temperatures for that 90-day period of March, April, and May. So I will keep you updated on that. Let's look at the extended forecast for the mountains. And speaking of snow, it is pushed into Idaho. We had some. We got a bit of a break today. The McCall area, 1 to 3 inches of snow. We get some light snow, steady snow during the day tomorrow, increasing as the day goes on. And then another surge comes in Saturday after a brief break Friday night, and this one will bring us some heavier snow, 2 to 4 inches, and maybe another 2 to 4 inches on Sunday. When you add it all up, at least a half a foot of snow in the McCall area is likely, and then a deep freeze coming in 4 below zero by the time Tuesday rolls around in the mountains. So we get a little bit of a break, but look at the high clouds already starting to stream back on in. It will target the light snows through central Idaho, and there's more behind it. There's the system right here coming into Seattle now with precipitation, and if you follow the jet stream back, that's pretty much our storm track. There's the moisture coming right around that ridge of high pressure, which gave us the mild weather. That is now parked out over the ocean, allowing the cold air to come down from the north and moisture come in as well. The bottom line, Friday through Monday, periods of snow in the mountains with a chance of some rain in the valley, could be mixed with snow during Saturday. Here's Friday, light snow from, as you see, mostly the west central and part of the Boise Mountains. And then on Saturday, it all comes in stronger, comes further south, heavier snow for the Boise and west central mountains. A chance of some rain in the valley, could start as some mixed rain and snow, maybe like yesterday, but mostly showers as we go up to near 50. But then on Sunday, a cold front comes down from the north, and look at the blue everywhere. Snow showers around, lingering into Monday. This could bring a coating of snow on the Treasure Valley floor for Monday morning, and cold temperatures sticking around. And this is pretty impressive through Saturday at 9 o'clock. Now, it doesn't include Sunday. 10 inches at Brundage, over a foot at Tamarack, at least 3 in Cascade, probably more up towards McCall. Not as much as Bogus Basin. Heavy snow in Stanley. So the west central mountains towards Stanley could get a lot of snow this weekend, and snow will just generally be flying a good portion of the weekend. Be careful on the roadways, snow-covered roadways, Highway 55 and Highway 95. Tomorrow, an average day. Mid-40s are likely in my True View forecast. A lot of clouds coming on in. There could be a rain or snow shower. It's not out of the question, but most of that will stay in the mountains, the Boise Mountains, and especially the west central mountains. That's where I expect the 2 to 4 inches of snow. That would be from tomorrow all the way through tomorrow night, and similar later tomorrow afternoon to tomorrow night for the east central mountains, Stanley and Sun Valley, the chance for snow. Pretty windy, you folks out on the Camas Prairie tomorrow. It's going to get a little stormy out there. 44 in the Magic Valley. Again, that mixture of clouds and sunshine, but a gusty wind is likely as well. Now, here's my extended forecast for the Treasure Valley. An average day tomorrow. We hit 50 on Saturday. Everything's glorious, although it rains. And then it's 28 degrees on Monday afternoon. So much so that they're not going to let the kids go to school. Of course, it's a holiday. That's why, but it is going to be winter coming back. Wow.
Yeah. Well, that'll be kind of fun on Monday when the kids are off.
First half of February.
I know.
Next
12 degrees above average, and now cold.
Back.
All right.
Thanks, Scott. So every winter, hundreds of local students ride that winding road up to